I will try to really keep it very small, crisp and short. I really know the weather is not really allowing us to have a lot of time, but I would like to put light on few of the things that Pakistan is really looking forward. The consulate is definitely going to play a very important role in expanding Pakistan's economic and Pakistan's future trade and enhancement with Austria. Being in Karachi, looking after Balochistan and Sindh, which are the two port cities of Pakistan. And these two provinces do carry immense potential growth in manufacturing, industry, textile, pharmaceutical, and the upcoming potential Pakistan has in Balochistan and mineral side. And I'm really sure that Dr. Saab, after assuming his charge and being more active, will definitely look upon all these potential investments that we have here in these two provinces. And for that purpose, the Ministry of Commerce is very much there with all its assistance to you and to the embassy. Trade Development Authority, the CEO of Trade Development Authority and the Secretary are very much over here participating in this event. They'll be very much in contact with you and give you all the assistance which is needed in order to expedite and see what more can be done to enhance the bilateral economic investment opportunities which Austria and Pakistan can have. While we are speaking, ladies and gentlemen, as I know majority of the people in this crowd are from the business sector, and there's a lot of apprehension and a lot of concern which everybody has how the budget is going on. And we are still in the budget process. And one initiative which the government of Pakistan, especially Ministry of Commerce, has taken is the tariff rationalization which is happening. Something which is happening in Pakistan for the very first time of how we are trying to reduce the overall tariffs in the 5 years plan. This phenomena has created a lot of attention from all those who are in support of it and all those who are not in support of it. And it's something which is being taken as an initiative by the Prime Minister himself, who's focusing on this and believes that Pakistan's competitiveness has to come in. Pakistan's industry competitiveness to import, to improve its exports, to attract a lot of investment, very much lies in what kind of a structure we have in Pakistan. These 2-3 years have been very challenging for us. We had these uphill challenges of economic revival for which a lot of reforms have taken place and are still taking place as we speak. While discussing it in the budget sessions which we have, we had many sessions with the private sector, with the industry, with chambers, associations, embassies, foreign delegates, investors and all, what exactly Pakistan needs to do in the coming 5 years period of time. Our situation is a little, which does not really give us a lot of space because of the IMF program that we have gone with, which restricts us in many places and which tells us of putting up a lot of taxes and reforms, which is making business a little hard for the sector. But that is being seen by the Prime Minister, the Finance Minister, me myself, the Industry Minister very closely, and for that purpose the Prime Minister has made a steering committee. And the reason I'm discussing this tariff issue over here is because majority of the countries, when they look to Pakistan, they look at the tariff lines which we propose. And a declining tariff line in 5 years' time is going to be one component which is going to show an interest by all these individuals and companies to come and invest in Pakistan. And at the same time, a lot of entrepreneurs in Pakistan might see as an opportunity of bringing in good raw materials, and at the same time our local manufacturing might improve in this sector also. So ladies and gentlemen, we do see the next budget to be something which is a totally reforming budget. Yes, it has its challenges. There are a lot of issues which are very genuinely there, but we're trying to correct them, streamline them, and try to make a mechanism which can better things every passing year.